Hello, Jai Hind guys. So today we are going to start lesson number 2 of algebra. So which is quadratic equations. Very easy topic. So not to take tensions of such topic. It is very easy. I mean algebra the whole series will be easy as it's include only the formulas and we have to solve the problem by taking the formulas, solving the formulas and knowing the answer. It will be easy. So yeah, we will start the quadratic equation. We will solve the small example of this lesson. So what will be the topic? First topic. So topic will be solutions of quadratic equation by factorization method. By factorization method, we will going to solve this problem. I mean the problems we will be going to solve. So we will solve the solved example problem. So example is example number 1, which is solved example m square minus 14m square minus 14m plus 13 is equal to 0. Plus 13 is equal to 0. So now factorization, we have to take the two values. We have to factorize this 14 number 14 such as the multiplication will be 13. Such that the multiplication of both the numbers will be 13 and addition of or subtraction of both the number will be of 14. So as I have tell you, the factorization will be as multiplication the multiplication of both the numbers will be 13 and the addition or subtraction of both the numbers will be of 14. So how it is how it will be, I will tell you. So the multiplication will be 13. How will be 13? 13 is I mean odd number. It is odd number. So two numbers will be the two number will be 13 and 1. When 13 into 1 is equal to 13. When this is completing, and suppose 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. Both the condition is being satisfied. So 13 and 1, these two numbers will be factorized for number 14. So what is the process to solve the problem? I'll tell you. So this is the question. So solving solution. Write the question again. M square minus 14m plus 13 is equal to 0. Then factorization of 14. Factorization of 14 will be 14 is negative 14. Answer should become negative 14. So m2 minus 13 we have taken 13. m2 minus 13m. m2 minus 13m plus 1m. I mean minus suppose the sign for the first number we have given minus, then second number if we give as plus, then it will be minus plus minus. So 13 minus 1 will be there. So for 13 plus 1 we have to give the sign for the second number minus. So 13m minus 1m plus 13 is equal to 0. So we can take m as a common in first. So if we take m as common, so second here is m square, so m will be as it is m minus 13. M minus 13, this m we have taken as common. So secondly we have to take the same value as mentioned in the bracket, which is m minus 13. M minus 13. So how we can take m minus 13? Because here is positive, so we can take directly negative 1. Negative 1 we will take as common. So negative problem. So we have done m13 we have taken. We have taken in the bracket the value m13. So common first we have taken as m and second we have taken as minus 1. So it will be is equal to 0. Don't forget to give the therefore sign. I mean like the sign likewise. Don't forget to give this sign. So what will be the next step to solve this? So next step will be Next step will be the common is m minus 13, and the second one is common means the value which is taken on both the sides. We have taken m minus 13, and second which is non-common, which is m minus 1. M minus 1 is equal to 0. So what will be the two equations? So what will be the two equations? M minus 13. The first equation will be m minus 13 is equal to 0, and the second will be m minus 1 is equal to 0. M minus 1 is equal to 0. So how to get the value of m? So again, So again m is equal to minus 13. So if minus 13 will cross the is equal to sign, it will become plus 13. So m is equal to 13, and the second value will be minus 1. If minus 1 will cross is equal to sign, it will become plus 1. So m is equal to 1. So these are the values of factorization: 13 and 1. 13 and 1 is the final answer. Are the roots of the given quadratic equation. These are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Final answer is 13 and 1 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Are the roots of the given quadratic equation. This equation is called as quadratic equation. Also, you have get this problem. So next problem we will take as solution. Simon problem which was hard, so we can take that problem. This problem example number 2 of formula for solving a quadratic equation. The same, but the steps are different to solve the problem. Hope so you have get this problem. So now we will be taking example number 2. It is different type of example, so which we are taking example 2. So it is solved by the different way. So we will check how to solve that. If you get problem in this question, comment down to the video. Your problem will be solved. I don't think so that you will face any problem for this. It was very easy sum. So next sum which we are taking, is example number 2, which is on page number 41, where I will write the example x2 plus 10x plus 2 is equal to 0. Example number 2. What is the example? x2 plus 10x, x2 plus 10x plus 2, 10x plus 2 is equal to 0. If you keep your attention towards the solving of this problem, so you will get to know how to solve the problem, and you will solve every problem of different numbers in board. So it is very easy. First you have to check how to solve the problem. Now solution. Now this in solution you have to write the question x2 plus 10x plus 2 is equal to 0, comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So x square, what will be the value of a? A is equal to 1, b is equal to 10 and c is equal to 2. C is equal to 2. So there is the formula b square minus 4ac. We have to take the value of b square minus 4ac. For being simple, further it will be simple to solve the problem. So we have to take the value of b square minus 4ac, which will be, what is b? It is 10. So 10 square minus 4, what is a? A is 1. 4 into 1 into c2. So we will solve this. 10 square is, which is 100. 100 minus 4 into 1 is equal to 4, and that into 2 is equal to 4 to the 8. So 100 minus 8 is equal to 92. The value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 92. Then how to solve the problem? This was the simple to take the value of b square minus 4ac. Just we have to take the value of b square minus 4ac. You will get to know why we have taken the value of b square minus 4ac. It is the part of the whole solution. So again the formula is, so how we can take the value of x? So x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. For this sake we have taken we have solved this part upon 4ac upon 2a. This formula is given to solve this types of equation, which is x square plus 10x plus 2 within factorization method, by factorization method. So let's see how it will be going to solve. So therefore x is equal to, this is the formula, x is equal to minus b. What is the value of b? It is 10. So minus 10 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. What is the value of b square minus 4ac? It is 92. So root 92 upon 2 into a. What is the value of a? The value of a is equal to 1. I want to solve here. So minus 10 plus minus, therefore x is equal to minus 10 plus minus under root. We can write 92 as 40 into 4, 23 into 4. So what is the value of 23 into 4? It is 92. 23 into 4. See, 23 into 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 1s are 4. 4 to the 8 and 1 9. So we can factorize 92 by this. 4 into 23 upon 2 1s are. So we are taking the value of the sum. Solving the sum. So we reached till here. That is x is equal to minus 10 plus minus under root 4 into 23 upon 2. So 4 into 23 is equal to 92. So root 92 we have written as 4 into 23. Why we have written as 4 into 23? So 4 square root we can take outside the square root. So number as 2. So for that sake we have taken 4. 4 into 23. That is equal to 92. So therefore we can write this as x is equal to minus 10 plus minus 2 root 23 upon 2. So here we can write as to get so x is equal to 2. X is equal to, sorry, I have to check another pen which will be worked. So x is equal to So x is equal to 2 in bracket minus 10 minus 5 root 23 upon 2 root 23 upon 2. So next will be x is equal to x is equal to 2 get cancelled. So x is equal to minus 5 root 23 in plus minus. Just wait. Just wait. Here will be upon 2. So next x is equal to 2 minus 5, and this will be in bracket minus 5 plus minus root 23 bracket close upon 2 upon 2. So therefore the 2 will get cancelled. So x is equal to minus 5 plus minus root 23. So the final answer for this question will be x is equal to minus 5 plus root 23, or minus 5 if we written here plus, then again second will become minus root 23. That's it for this example. You get the final answer, and final answer is written as, so just wait. Final answer as we written in example number 1, the final answer will be x is equal to minus 5 plus root 2, or minus 5 minus root 23. Minus root 23 are the root of the given quadratic equation. This is the quadratic equation. So why we have taken b square minus 4ac, the value of minus b square minus 4ac, because here directly it has given that b square minus 4ac. The formula is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. So we can write direct value here, under root value, which is 92. That for that sake we have taken the value of b square minus 4ac. So okay, that's it for this lesson, quadratic equation. So two examples has been solved of this lesson, quadratic equation. That's it for this lesson. Okay, Jai Hind, thank you.